This is Gale Stormwing with breaking news. The old impact crater is officially back. The update many thought would never come brings with it the icy water pond and the original Grand Plains. And with
Wake up, Ramford.
I was watching that.
no time for naps. We got breaking news to deliver. The trophy growth is back as a result of the recent update.
Oh, that's good news
Wake
too.
up, Ramford.
No time for naps. We got news to deliver.
Are you about to tell me that you got your TLC? Or that matchmaking is not happening?
No, you're not in a dream anymore.
Yeah, figures. What's the news, though? We already covered the sea slug.
The what?
The water sausage.
The Tylosaurus?
Yeah.
You know, why don't we do something light today? Our world is full of delicious creatures whose names we can't pronounce. So let's start simple. What is this?
Skinny raptor.
And this?
Fake Meg. Danger noodle. Spiny lizard. Armored dog. That's Dolores. We all know that.
We have our names for them, but what are yours? Tell us in the comments, and maybe we can reach scientific consensus.
Not likely.
We've been getting unusual critter reports from redwoods. Why don't you go investigate? Some fresh air might cheer you up.
We're already outside, Gale. But okay, I can report on critters. This is Ramford Beekman reporting on critters in lieu of real news. And of course, there's nothing here right now. Not even a beaver dog. Nothing to report and nothing to eat. Today is just not my day. The Agro Turtle Coalition! How did they find me here?
Well, this took an unexpected turn, which is to say, it went exactly as we should have expected. Cold, Mateo, Ramford, turtles, redwoods.
Copy that. Hang in there, Ramford.
Agro turtles everywhere. Each more aggro than the last.
There's too many of them.
This is not a fiesta.
We can't break their lines. Send reinforcements.
Kellen, it's time.
You mean?
Yes.
Understood. They're on their way.
It's turtle season.
So many turtles. I like this map.
We're pushing them back.
Still not a fiesta.
They're retreating.
Turtle season's over.
Did you hear that, Gale? Such a cool line.
They'll be back.
Why are they after you anyway?
Long story. Save it for the movie.
Rex, look around. This place is just like Pandora.
Wow. So that's what it's like to get an update.